In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a Roblox game. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, making your own Roblox game can be really useful for one, obviously, if you just want people to play whatever you're making, and two, you can also make Robux this way. So what you want to go ahead and do is, I'm just going to go out of the application right here, and you want to basically get something called Roblox Studio, which whenever you go ahead and download Roblox Studio is automatically also going to be downloaded as well. If it's not, just go to your browser of choice and then just go ahead and download Roblox Studio. Make sure it's Studio and not Player because that's something that you should already have anyway. Now, whenever you first get on it, the best thing I would recommend doing is press Start Learning, where you can learn the basics of the studio by creating your first playable experience in this quick guided tour. So this is definitely the first thing I think you should do. And if you have some of the basics down, what you could do is use a template if you want to. So for example, if I wanted to like go open up the platformer, if I wanted to make something like that, or maybe like a death run or something, it's going to open up something like this. And if I already know what I'm doing, I could go ahead and work on it just as much as I want, really. And yeah, it's literally as simple as that. But obviously, if you don't know what you're doing, I definitely recommend going through the quick guide. And then, yeah, once you're happy with it, you can even collaborate with people if someone's trying to teach you or anything like that. There's going to be so many different things to go through. So I definitely recommend going through the tutorial that Roblox provides. And then, you'll be good to go after that. And it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe and check out all the other tutorials on the channel as well.